In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change currency in Snapchat ads. If you've ever set up an ad account in the wrong currency, or you're expanding to a new market. This walkthrough will show you how to set the right currency the correct way. The key idea is that currency is defined when you create an ad account, and it can't be edited later. So the solution is to create a new ad account with the currency you want, then add a payment method that supports it. Start by opening your browser and searching for Snapchat ads. This is the quickest route if you don't have the URL bookmarked. In the search results, make sure you choose the official Snapchat ads site. Look for the Ads Manager link that takes you to the platform where you manage campaigns and billing. Once you're on the site, click Log In. Sign in with your business credentials. If you use multi-factor authentication, have your verification method handy so you can get into your dashboard smoothly. After logging in, you'll land in the Ads Manager interface. Next, click the Business section in the top left corner and select Ad Accounts. This menu is where you manage your organization's assets. If the layout looks a little different, look for your business name or profile icon and open the drop-down to find Ad Accounts. Now click the plus New Ad Account button to begin the setup. This is the crucial step for changing currency. Because currency is locked after creation, you'll create a fresh ad account that uses your desired currency for billing and reporting. Enter your account details carefully. When you reach the currency drop-down, select the currency you want to use going forward. Double-check this choice, as it affects how budgets, invoices, and reports are displayed. It's also a good idea to align your country and time zone with your billing location and team workflow, since those settings can influence currency availability and scheduling. Take a moment to confirm everything before you continue. Once the account is created, you'll need to add a payment method that supports the new currency to start running ads. Add a card or payment option that bills in that currency or is accepted by Snapchat for that market. Make sure the billing address matches the payment method and be prepared for a small authorization hold that some providers use to verify the card. That's it. You've created a new Snapchat ad account with the correct currency. From here, set your budgets, verify invoices reflect the currency you selected, and rebuild or import any campaigns you need in the new account.